Okay, so long-term trading, it involves a daily time frame to a monthly time frame. So indlela ngingayi-recommend ukuthi uyenze ngakhona is to go to a monthly time frame. Njengoba ubona la ukuthi le candlestick le green la kwi-monthly time frame ukuthi inkulu kangakanani. So it would be wise ukuthi futhi utrade a continuation. So ubuze ngokuthatha i-trade yakho uyabuy la, stop loss sakho away from your entry point and hold for the whole month, or ungakwazi ukuthi umonithe, maybe hold it for 2 weeks or even 3 weeks. But if you hold it for the whole month, la bekuzoba ama-profits. Nakhona futhi, if you can look at this red candlestick, yabo ukuthi inkulu kunale previous strength sekuyi-dollar, ubuzothatha i-trade yakho uyabuy, sell, stop loss sakho just above entry point, next space imarket ukuthi liphefumule, and then hold it for the whole month. Nakhona futhi ubuzoba kwama-profits. But ubuthi athatha ukubheka la ubuthi ubufuna ukutrade continuation nala futhi bekuyi-entry right, but then inkinga bekuzoba on the 3rd month or 2nd month imarket elireversile yashintsha direction. So ngakho-ke kade ngithi mina forex it's probability, but nakhona you can trade ama-trend continuations as a long-term trade, so from daily time frame to a monthly time frame.